Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add people to your ad account in Meta Ads Manager. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add people to your Meta Ads Manager ad account, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is on the search bar type in Meta Ads Manager, and once the search result loads, tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Now once you're inside the Meta Business home screen, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Then once you're logged in, simply select the Meta Business settings. Then under the user section, select people, then select add button. Now type the work email of the person you want to invite by choosing their access label as employee access or admin access. Then assign the ad account, and once done, the user accepts the invitation, and once accepted, they will have the assigned access. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.